decide where people are that like. Because if you try and you're into bring people to other places, they'll probably go out without comment.
Indeed. Indeed. I mean, I'm really happy that we've had this discussion. But I just want you to understand that Jeff and his team are going to attack this rapidly. Yes, sir.
I've been around Rotary for quite a while, and there's one thing that I believe, that I may be wrong, but if you want to attract young members, you got to tell the story. So all of you that have put a name down, you've got to know what to say to these people, get them excited. And then the club has to have enough activities, fundraisers, projects. That's what attracts young people. So that's my 2 cents.
I'm going to say one final word on this, just to remind you that in following the lead of Rotary, who is grappling with this same issue and trying to figure out through different kinds of membership and other inventive ideas, this club got rid of the attendance requirement. There is no attendance requirement in this club. We encourage you to come, we encourage you to be involved, but we are not, there's no, you have to make 3 out of 4 or 4 in a row or 80%. There is no attendance requirement. Now what we would hope you do is make up meetings otherwise, but I want to remind you that that's now in our bylaws. Okay, I'm going to read the winning number. Yes, Nancy.
Well, I just want to stand up and say I don't feel like an old fart. And I don't think the rest of you do either, because 80, 85 is the new 60, right? So I'd like to see everybody who's committed to this and growing this club stand up and give our applause to our committee that's really going to work hard on it. Anybody who's committed?
Thank you, Nancy. All right, without further ado, the number is 4440.
Bingo!
All right, we have a winner. And you got a gift certificate to the old-timey meat market, and you get to cut the deck of cards. And while that's going on, I will remind you of a couple quick things, which is the oyster roast at the 25th, and also early bird registration for the District All Club Conference has been extended to the 14th. So you can save the club and yourself a little money if you go ahead on that database website and register for the conference, which will be on Hilton Head. All right. Is there anything else to come before Rotary? John Valentine will give our closing prayer after we say, of the things we think, say, and do, is it true?
It is fair of all concerned.
Dear Heavenly Father, we thank you for the many responsibilities and opportunities for Rotary service to others and the friendships we share. We also give thanks for our country's freedom and ask that you watch over all the first responders and the men and women of our armed forces who protect this freedom. Finally, dear Lord, keep us all safe until we meet again. Amen.
Amen.